Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. I always forget to say this, so I just wanted to say it before I start this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. Got an unboxing here. It is some minis. From, my gracious, Ever After. And this is called Capy Halloween by Apple Moment. So we have these right here is for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess there's 10 paintings. And then they're individually bagged for each one. I like that. Then you have got an inventory sheet for each one. Tells how many colors. These do have forever dust in them. And ABs. And it's for each one. There's 2 on a page. I like it, I like it, I like it. And guys, if you can, please forgive me. My heater just kicked on. Okay, this is the canvas. I'll move these over here. Let's see if it tells the name of them on here. No. This has got the skull and the potion bottle and the book, spell books and the capybara and the Roma, and it's in the kettle. Let's see if I can find the drills for it. I will show you the drills on on the first one, but I will not show them on the second one or the rest of them. I'll show you the toolkit. I'm all discombobulated today. You have 3865. You have 3837. You have 3609. 3608, 973, 972, 970, 951, 922, 921, 918, 351, Forever Dust 603, 307 AB, 210 AB, and 154. So that's the drills for that one. I did them back assards, but that's just me. As you can see, The symbols are really good. Got the nice big legend. And these are 10 by 13s. Hold up just one second. No, I can't really tell. Let me see if I can take this off of this. Yeah, there we go. These are 10 by 13 centimeter. So they are true to size. They still have the perked and the scalloped and perked, paint, paint. Still got the thumbnail. It is the silk flock canvas. You can see that really good on this camera. And then you've got ever after. Same thick paper that's on the regular canvases. I'm excited. Let's see. Can't start them right now, but that one's A. This one is B. This is the drills. That goes with this one. And he's got his candy corn. Looks like there is an AB in this one. And we're looking for C. Right here. That is this one. Could pull y'all out some so you could see. And that is the drills for this one. This one here. This is a drilled form. This one. This is the drills for it. It's got his little witch's hat on. Oh, that's so cute. I think that's probably my favorite one so far. This one is an elf. And that's him reading his ghost story, my capybara. I've probably been butchering that. This is the drills for this one. This has 2 ABs. That beautiful blue one or purple one and the white one. 5200 AB. Then we have G. That is this one with his little hat on, and I think that's his little kitty cat right there. And this is his drills. H. That's the one with his little Halloween basket. And this is his drills. Then this one is with the cross, and I'm not sure, I can't tell. with his little banner and all that. That's his drills. And the last one is, this is his drills. And that's the rest in peace and the tombstone and his grave with it popping up out of it with his bone. And that's his drills. Okay, guys. Oh, toolkit. Same toolkit that you get in the bigger kits. Create your own fairy tale. You've got your... Sorry, guys, I had a phone call coming in. I hope y'all didn't hear it. I forget to put it on Do Not Disturb. Got your white boat with a long spout. It's a Mossville light boat. The single placer with the 3-pacer, clear pen with sparkles. You've got 6 pats of wax in there, just like you do the regular kit. And the purple squishy. And I just seen the 9-placer fly, but I don't know where it went to. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it don't come with one. I don't know. I don't use these anyway, so not in there. But that's all I got in this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.